Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an ETF on the Fidelity app. First, open the Fidelity app on your mobile device and log in securely using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade section, which is usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll initiate your investment journey. Next, you'll need to search for the specific ETF you're interested in purchasing. Before making a purchase, it's wise to conduct some research. Within the app, you can review the ETF's historical performance and its expense ratio, which is the annual fee. Take time to examine its underlying holdings and understand its investment strategy. Ensure the ETF aligns with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance before proceeding to the next step. Now it's time to place your order. Enter the ticker symbol for the ETF you've selected into the search bar. Then, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Finally, specify the exact number of shares you wish to purchase for your portfolio. The final step is crucial for a successful trade. Carefully review all the order details, including the ETF ticker, order type, and the number of shares. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Once you are confident, confirm the trade to finalize your purchase. Afterward, you can monitor your portfolio to see your newly acquired ETF shares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.